The assault trial of EFF leader Julius Malema and Member of Parliament Mbuyiseni Ndlozi resumes in the Randburg Magistrate's Court today. Now, the two are accused of assaulting Lieutenant-Colonel Johannes Venter during Winnie Madikizela-Mandela's burial in 2018. Let's cross now to our reporter Canny Maphanga, who's watching this one for us. Canny, good morning. So what can we expect today? Have Julius Malema and, of course, also the EFF's Dr. Ndlozi, have they arrived as yet?
Good morning to you, Sakina, and the viewers at home. Indeed, the common assault case against EFF leader Julius Malema and Member of Parliament Mbuyiseni Ndlozi continues in the lower courts, that is the Randburg Magistrates Court, this morning. Now, EFF leader Julius Malema just arrived a few minutes ago, and we're expecting that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi will be entering these doors shortly. Now, before I give you an understanding of what is going to happen today, just to give you a brief recap of what happened in the last appearance, the pair who is accused of allegedly assaulting Colonel Johannes Venter at the gates of the Fourways Memorial Park attempted to bring a discharge application in their previous appearance. However, that failed as the court found that there was a case for them to answer. Due to this application failing, Julius Malema had to take the stand. And just to give you a brief summary of what he said at the time in his version of events was that it was an emotionally charged day and that this is something that could have been easily resolved through the principles of Ubuntu. He stated that Winnie Madikizela-Mandela is someone that he viewed as his mother, and for Colonel Johannes Venter to allegedly block him from trying to bury his mother was an unthinkable act. He says that when he allegedly pushed Colonel Johannes Venter, that he was acting in self-defense. It is his testimony that Colonel Johannes Venter was blocking the vehicle from entering the venue. We've previously heard that the vehicle in question possibly didn't have a tag that was permitted inside the venue, but it's Julius Malema's contention that if that was the issue, he would have walked to the burial site on foot and left his car outside. But at that moment, he did not understand it to be the issue. He understood that Colonel Johannes Venter at the time was allegedly acting out of hatred because he's represented by AfriForum. Julius Malema described AfriForum as an organization which is an enemy of the EFF. Now, AfriForum did clear this up last week, saying that he was not a member of AfriForum, but rather a member of Solidarity, the union. We understand that Julius Malema did conclude his testimony and cross-examination in the last appearance, and now what we will see today is Mbuyiseni Ndlozi place his version before the court so that the court can make a determination as to what happened outside the gates of the Fourways Memorial Park in April of 2018.
Well, Canny, we'll leave it there. Thank you so much. And of course, Canny Maphanga watching that for us throughout the day. And certainly the agenda will pick up on this story.